Hello, good day everyone. So today we are going to learn on how to some step in pixelLab, some icon in pixelLab, step by step on how to use those icon. So first of all, open your pixelLab. So after open your pixelLab, you are going to be seeing something like this. I don't know though the pixelLab that we are using, but because we have different type of pixel but I'm using the premium. So after you open your pixel app, this is what you are going to see. So here is the background, but to start from scratch we're going to change the background. So here I'm using this. So change your background, and then this here is just for background. It's just for background. Here am I now, it's just for background. Then as you can see, we have a icon here. As you see this a icon, please follow my finger point. So please follow and be careful to for it. It's here. So follow my finger point. So you will see this a icon. This just for text. If you want to add a text into your design, so we just press text, then edit. So we type whatever you want to write. So you can see show me my keyboard, but let's write something graphics. So and then you press ok. So as you can see, this what we write there. So it show me here. So here is it. So drag it to the middle, and then you can see delete, copy to front. This to front means that, like, now you want this graphic to be at the back of one. Maybe you add, let me copy this thing in this graphic now. So as you can see, I've copied it, so it has duplicate. So like now, as you can see that this graphic that I copy is in let me write something so that I can clear you. So let's say design. So as you can see, that graphic is in the back, while design is in front. So if I want to make that graphic to be in front, so I will just press on that graphic. I'll just click on that graphic rather. Then I'll press to front. So let me drag it down again. As you can see, this one will come to front, the while the design will be at the back. So that's work of this, to front and to back. Then position. This position means if you want to shift your text. As you can see, I'm pressing this icon, this left, so it will be shifting to left, then right, so it will be shifting, then up, down. And this then you can see minus, plus. This means that if you want, as you want your text to move, like now, let me increase this. If you increase it, your text will be moving fast as you want your text to be moving. So this is just it. If you want to reduce it, it will be slowly. If you drag it down, it will be slowly, small small. So that's the work of this one. Then done. And then you can see relative position. If you want it to be in the middle, and then you want it to be in the edge or something shall show you, that's the work of this one. Then lengthening. This length mean, you can see, if you want your, if you, like now, let me use this as an example. Let me increase the size. So as I increase the size now, let me delete this one. So graphic length, where is that length? Then length, this length means that in some time, if you use text, let me use one text for you to do as an example, to use as example. Let me use this font, this Alex Bush regular. So this let me I've pressed this thing before. So as you can see, this G, check this G well, check it well. You can see that it has been cut in the bottom. I don't have this thing I for use arrow to show you, but as you can see that this G, it has been cut in the bottom, so it has been cut small. But if you want it to be completed, to be complete, so we come to this landing. So you press landing. If it is left that you want to be show clearly, you will just press this. As you can see now, it is been moving. You see, if you want it to cut, you just press it now. You see now, as you can see that you can see the work of that landing. So this what landing mean. So if you want it to be show clearly, you just drag it, and then if it is right, here is it. You can see. So that's it. So then let me put it back. So that's it. And then color, if you want to change your color, you want to change the color that you want, you can see this plus sign. Like now you have one color that you import one picture that you want to have like you want to reset your, if you want to reset your color rather. So yeah, you see, you just drag it to any color that you want. You just drag it. So like now I want blue. Then if I want the blue to be, yeah, I want the blue to light up. You can see that if you check this upward here, please, this up, follow my point, finger point. You can see that the blue is deep. So if you want it to light up, so drag this middle pad. So drag it, it will be light up. And then if you want it to be, if you want it to be deep small, so you just drag it sha. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then if you want to pick a color, like now you have one, you will import one picture, and then you decided to use one color in that picture. You just press this you can see this thing up here. So you just press it, it will show you something like this, and you will see something like this. So just press the, like now I want to use this white, so you just put this thing inside the color that you want, this thing that I'm dragging. So you just put it inside the color, and then you press this mark. As you can see, it has given me white. So you just press OK. So I've got my white color. Then but here I'm not going to use that. So let me change the this graphic color. Okay, and then you can see texture. This texture is just if you want to put picture in this text, you want to use the text, you want to use picture for it. Let me use example. Press this photo icon. So press it, it will it will take you to your gallery. So yeah, you pick any color that you pick, any picture that you want. You pick any, like now let me use this as an example. So this my logo, so let me use it. So it will show me like this. If you want it to crop, if you want to crop it, you can crop it. So just press it. So as you can see, the color is appearing inside the text, but it's not good like this. So if you want to delete it, you press delete box there. Okay, that's the texture. And then opacity, this opacity, if it is just for reducing the light of the text. So you want to reduce it, increase it, reduce and increase. So that's it. And then rotate, if you want your design, your text to be rotate. So this it. So here is it. Okay, and then this mask is just if you want to cut one side in your design. Like now your, maybe you import picture or something so you want to cut it, you want to cut something, so you just put it here and then it will be cut. You can see, so it has been cut. So but yeah, I'm not going to use that. You can see in, out, you can see in, out, in, out. So if you want in, it will cut the this bottom more. So if you want it to out, so the one that is in up, it will be cut. The one that is in up, it will be cut, and then it's out. So that's it. Okay. And then font, if you want to pick a font for your text, so here is it. Yeah, we have many fonts here, so we just pick fonts and then style. Then if you want it to bold, so b, and then this one, it will be slant. It should, as you can see, it has been slant. If you want to underline for your text, you just press this u underline. As you can see, u icon, just press it, it will be underlined. And then if you don't want anything inside it, you don't want it again, you just press this t. You see, as you can see, they cancel that t, so cancel, it will be cancelled. So that's it. And then if you want your text to be curve, here is it, you just press this curve. Then you see, so our text is curving now. So that's it, cancel. And then if you want to add background into your text, you just press this background, enable. So you can see we have background in our, and then you choose any color that you want, choose color here, choose any color that you want. So choose white or anyone you want, so yes, it's just choose color, and then yes, yes. So if you want it like now, you can see left padding, and then right padding, top padding, bottom padding, radius. So yeah, I'm going to be show you how to use it. So this left padding means that if you want your left to be increased, so you can see our left is moving now. So here is it. So right padding, if you want your right to be increased, so or you want to reduce it, or you want to increase it here, so you just increase it. So bottom pad, I mean top padding, if you want your top to be increased, you can see. So if you want it to be so that's it. And then if you want your bottom padding to be increased, you just increase it. So increase it or reduce. Then radius, that means that if you want it to be it will be red. So yeah, you can see our this background is covering, so that's it. Okay. And then this align, you can see if you want, you can see right alignment, middle alignment, and then left alignment. So if you want, like now you ask a text, let me add more text on this thing so that we can see this thing well. Graphic design group, or let me add it like that. So you can see now, if I want it like this, you can see how the text is. So let me come to my align. So align, if you want it to be in the middle, you just press this middle alignment. So you can see the group is in the middle now. If you want it to be left, you just press left. If you want it to be right, press it. So that's it. So this one is just justify, if you want to justify it. So okay. And then spacing, if you want to space it, if you want it to be stretched, so you just press, so you can see our this thing is moving. You can see if you want to, like now I have it long, so you just press it. You can see now it will be rough, and then you can see. Okay, that's it. So here I'm going to show you something. You can see it's line spacing. If you check well, graphic design, the middle, you can still write something there. you see that that middle, the space that this thing leave is too much, so we just press this line spacing, so we reduce it. You can see the group is moving, you can see, so it will be up enough. And then if you want to increase it, you want it to be shift more, just press it like this. So that's it, that's the line spacing. And then stroke, if you want to add stroke, so this is it. Let me use white to so that it can show. You can see now it's half stroke, so this one is just stroke. So if you want to reduce it, you just stroke width. And then if you want to change the color, so you change it. Okay. Then shadow, if you want your design to have shadow, it will let me use white so that you can see well. You want shadow for your, so you come to your offset x, so increase it. As you can see, increase it. Our this thing is bigger, and then he has something at the back, at the bottom rather, so you can see that's the shadow. So if you want to change the color, you come here. Okay, that's it. And then inner shadow, if you want if you want shadow in your text, this is it. You can see the color of the red, it's changed. So if you want white, you can see now, you can see how it is. You can see, change the color, any color that you want. So if you want to reset it, you just come in, reset it. So that's just for that. And this emboss, if you want it to look like, how do I put it to, you want to make it look like something like this thing, you want it to look, I mean, sometimes if you use emboss for your design, if you in sometime in the design, if you use it, it will look like iron, it may look like iron even sometimes. So I just put it like that. So this baff, if you want your design to be blade, if you want it to flat, or if you want it to flat, it will just press this blade. You can see that our design change now, this graphic design group change. So if you want it to, if you want it to not break blade, you just press it. So that's it. And then this perspective, if you want it to, if you want to, like now, let me use it in this way. If you want your design to come as I'm increasing this line, so let me press enable. You see, how our design move as I, if you want to let it to go inside or come in, or go like this or something sha, if you want to reduce it like this, so just leave it, you just press it like this. You can see how it look like. So that's work of perspective. And then this rotate, if you want to rotate it, if you want to rotate your this thing, so that's it. Or you want it to be like this, so that's it. And then 3D shadow, if you want, you can see here, 3D shadow, that's it. So that's work of 3D shadow. This 3D text, if you want your text to have, you can see as the 3D it look, as you can see how it is. So if you want it to deep, more, you don't want it to deep more, just press it like this. So that's work of 3D text. Dark, if you want it to be dark, if you want how you want it to rotate, so you can see now, oh, I want it to rotate like this, so I want it to rotate like this. So or I want it to rotate like the central rotation. So that's it. So that's work of 3D rotation. Then reflection. If you want it to reflect, if you want the text to reflect, as you can see, the text is reflecting now. You can see now that our text is reflecting. If you want, as you want it to be. So that's work of reflection. So that's all for the a a icon. And then this import, if you want to in this, if you move from a to another side, you see this thing here. So you see sticker. If you want to add sticker into your this thing, into your design, so you just press here. So you just like when I'm adding, you can see here, you can see it here. Okay, or you want anyone you want, share. So you, anyone you want it, you want. Okay, and then import. If you want to import picture, if you want to import picture into your design, you just press here and choose any picture that you want. Draw. If you want to draw something, like now as you can see, so that's it. Shape. If you want to add shape in your design, so here is it. If you can see this here. So if there any shape that you want, you just press it. Or you want star, so as you can see, now, so change the color. If you want to add stroke, here is it. You can see. I remember you remember, I hope you remember what the stroke means. So if you want to add stroke, you want to change the color stroke. So radius, you want it to blur. Blur radius, you want it to blur. So that's it. And then arrow. You want to put arrow on it, any arrow that you want. Just pick it, color, and then and so on. And this bezier, in most design they use this thing to draw. So you can see now they use it to draw. But here we are not going. I will be dropping video for this one later, because this bezier too is another work for himself. So and then this one, after that you see something like this. So color enhance. If this transparent means that if you don't want background for your design, if you don't want background for it, so you just press this transparent. So it will be png. You understand png? That png means the photo that does not have background. So that's what png means. So if you don't want background for your picture, for your design rather, so press transparent. And then image size, the size that you want for your design. So design, the size I'm using for this design is 12 width and 1280 eyes. So that's it. And then image. So if you want to put image background for your this thing, so just from gallery. If you want to pick a background from your gallery, or you want to snap a background, just press from camera. And then this one, if you want to, as you want your, like now you have one background and you don't like how it look like, you can come here to rotate it or fragment it. If you want it to, if you see now, or you want noise, you want something strange inside it, so or strips, you can see now. Or you want to increase the brightness or reduce it, so come here. And then contrast, if you want to reduce the color or something sharp, and then and then something like that. If you want to increase the color, want to increase the quality of the color, so that's it. So that's all for today. I hope you understand something. I hope you understand.